is going on, guys? Driving in the snow like this is terrifying. Also, I don't know what's wrong with my windshield or my windshield wipers, but they are just straight up not working. So we have to pull over every once in a while and clean off the windshield, and then it just gets all super not great again. So if anybody knows why my windshield is fogging up, please leave a comment down below. Ooh! That's insane. He's leveling up like hard today. Leveling up super like crazy today. But yeah, we're about 39 minutes. I just looked at it. We're 39 minutes out of Denver right now, and it has not stopped snowing the entire time driving through the mountains, and it's terrifying.
Like we should put the duck away. At least do say, and if I do say so myself, that as a creature.
So I'm trying out this new thing, vlogging from way up here. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. So we made it back to Denver and met up with Sam, and we're going to grab some dinner right now at the same place we went last time because it was, oh, so delicious. What's it called?
Cherry Cricket.
Cherry Cricket? Cherry Cricket. Best burgers. Super stoked. Right here, this lighting right here, I think this is the best lighting in this entire place. Right here. Dude, post up right here. Come on, let's go.
All right, so today is going to be more of a work day. I mean, we're going to try to vlog as much as possible, but
we're gonna go to a hot spring.
Are we going to go to a hot spring?
Yeah, we're gonna go to a hot spring. We last night we decided that we were gonna go and blow up my air mattress and go tubing down a river in freezing cold weather with the snow. And now, after waking up the next day, I've decided that that's not a good idea, and we're gonna go sit in a hot spring.
I'm excited about that hot spring.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be dope. I'm
Yeah.
super excited.
We also have to eat dinner. No, not dinner. All the things are running together. We gotta eat breakfast.
I don't know what year it is, bro.
We gotta eat breakfast. Where are we eating breakfast at?
Starbucks.
Oh no. Oh no.
Brax has a hate relationship with Starbucks, and I have a love relationship with Starbucks. So I guess you could say that Brax and I together have a love-hate relationship with Starbucks. Is that right?
I mean, it's only because we've been to like, what, 30 Starbucks across
We've
the
probably
States?
been to 30 Starbucks across the country, which is awesome. You know, honestly, I think we should just vlog Starbucks. Like, just do an entire YouTube channel about Starbucks.
I think they're good.
I think we should. Everybody that loves Starbucks, DM me on Instagram and tell me how much you love Starbucks, because I want to hear it. Do it.
Wait, are we
Do
still
it.
eating breakfast at Starbucks?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Morning, guys. We woke up here in Denver and back with Sam. And I love being here in Denver. It's like super motivational, inspirational for me, especially being around Sam because he's such an inspirational, motivational person, being an entrepreneur and all, and working his absolute ass off to reach his goals. And it's super awesome to be around that because he spreads off on me as well. And I want to work harder on my goals and reach my goals even more than I did before. And I think that's awesome. I think motivation is a really important thing, and people keep hitting me up on Instagram, then say like they wish they could go and travel, they wish they could go and make videos, they wish they could go and do the things that I'm doing right now. And I've been telling all of them, like, you just need to get up and go. You just need to get up and go and do things. You just need to get up and go. And that's really all it takes. You know, I was sitting in Kansas City and I just said, F it, and now I'm here, you know? Being around Sam, I'm asking him the same questions, you know, I'm saying, I wish I was living like you are, I wish I was doing the things that you're doing, and he's just saying, you just have to get up and go. So let me be that motivation for you, like Sam is that motivation for me. Anyways, I'm gonna get to editing because I am super behind. I'm filming this the day when it's going to go up on YouTube. So, I'm gonna get to editing. I'm gonna leave you guys here with a keep living like a drunk little kid, and I will see you guys later today. See ya.